Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Tozo T6 with your Android smartphone. First of all, you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%, and the bottom you can find cover, you have to remove it, and then you will find right here input for the micro USB cable. Next, when you finish, you have to open the case. As you can see, indicator are turned on, so we have to take them out of this case. And when you make it, as you can see, they will blinking like that. It means that they are in the pairing mode. But if it is not activated automatically, you have to click and hold this to touch control panels until they start blinking like that. Next, you have to go for the boot settings on your device, on your Android device, click to pair new device, and then select Tozo T6 from available devices list. Accept the pairing request. And as you can see, right now we are connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.